Hi everyone, this is lecture number 9, chapter 2, factors and multiples part 2. In this video we will understand the concept of HCF. So what is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. What is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. So what is a factor? Such a number. A factor is such a number which can divide a given number. Completely. I have already made a detailed video on what is a factor. The link is given below in the description. So a factor is such a number which can divide a given number completely. So in HCF we have to find the common factor. A common factor. So common factor will be between two or more numbers, because common factor can't be between one number. So a common factor will be between two or more numbers. Here now the question is, find the HCF of 6 and 8. So we have to find the HCF of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have to find the HCF. Here write a note. In case of HCF, we will select such a number for division which can commonly divide all the given numbers in one go. So in case of HCF, we will select such a number for division which can commonly divide all the given numbers in one go. This means we can only divide 6 and 8 by prime numbers. We know that we can only divide these numbers by prime numbers, and we will select such a number which can divide both these numbers. So is 6 divisible by 2? The answer is yes. Is 8 divisible by 2? The answer is yes. So 2 commonly divides both the numbers, and it is the least prime number. So we have selected 2. 6 divided by 2, the answer will be 3. Now 8 divided by 2, the answer will be 4. Is there a common number which can divide 3 and 4? We will check whether 3 is divisible by 2. No. Is 3 divisible by 3? Yes, but 4 is not divisible by 3. So there is no common number, as the next prime number is 5 and both these numbers are less than 5. So we will select such a number which is less than these numbers or equal to these numbers. So we have checked whether these two numbers are divisible by 2 or 3. The answer is no. So the HCF is highest common factor is 2. The HCF of 6 and 8 is, here we will write HCF of 6 and 8 is equals to 2. Now our next question is find the HCF of 20, 25 and 40. So we have to find the HCF of 20, 25 and 40. Three numbers. So HCF is common factor. So we have to choose such a number which can divide all these three numbers in one go. Is 20 divisible by 2? The answer is yes. Is 25 divisible? The answer is no. So we will reject the number 2. We will move on to 3. Is 20 divisible by 3? The answer is no. So 3 is also rejected. We will reject 2. We will reject 3. Now what's the next prime number? The next prime number is 5. We will check whether these three numbers are divisible by 5. Is 20 divisible by 5? The answer is yes, as the last digit in 20 is 5. Is 25 divisible by 5? In 20 is 0. So it is divisible by 5. The last digit in 25 is 5. So it is also divisible by 5. Is 40 divisible by 5? The answer is yes, because the last digit in 40 is 0. So, and in the divisibility rules of 5 we have studied, if the last digit is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. So 20, 25 and 40, all these three numbers are divisible by 5. So we will divide. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 5 8s are 40. Now we will check whether these numbers have a common factor. So we will start with the least prime number. Let's check it by 2. 4 is divisible by 2, but 5 is not divisible by 2. We will check it by 3. 4 is not divisible by 3, so 3 is rejected. We will check it by 5. No, because 4 is less than 5. So the common number should be smaller than all these three numbers. So the HCF of 20, 25 and 40 is 5. HCF is 5, as we don't have a common number which can divide all these three numbers in one go. So the HCF is 5. Now I have a question for you. You have to find the HCF of 10, 20 and 30. Pause the video and give it a try. I hope you will be able to solve it. So we have to find the HCF of 10, 20, 30. So let's try it with the least prime number. The least prime number is 2. Is 10 divisible by 2? The answer is yes. With 20, the answer is yes. Is 30 divisible by 2? The answer is yes. So we will write 2 over here. 2 5s are 10 and 2 10s are 20 and 2 15s are 30. Now we will check whether these three numbers are divisible with a common number. Is 5 divisible by 2? The answer is no. 3 no. 5 is only divisible by 1 or 5. So we will check, is 10 divisible by 5? The answer is yes. Is 15 divisible by 5? The answer is yes. So 5 is a common factor of these three numbers. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. There is no common number which can divide 1, 2, 3 in a row. So the HCF of 10, 20 and 30 is 2 multiplied by 5. HCF is HCF is 2 multiplied by 5. The answer is 10. So 10 is the common factor which can divide all these three numbers. I hope you understood the concept well. If you have understood this concept, then kindly like my video, and if you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe. Thank you.